Hi everyone, today I would love to share with you this beautiful granny square pattern. I think it's really cool and has a modern stylish look that can be beautiful for your crochet bags, cardigans, blankets, whatever you have in mind for granny squares. I think it's really pretty and easy to make. It has no holes, so it's a nice option for many styles. You can use different uh, color combination. So now I will show you with these two colors. I think it's better when they are contrast for this pattern, but you can try multicolor also because you can continue to make it as big as you wish. So, or you can make several small and then join them together. And we are going to start right now. So let's start with the magic ring. I already showed in my previous videos that I'm now stick to double magic ring. So if you don't know how to make it, you can see the link below how to make them. Basically, you have just to wrap 3 times around the finger and then you just go with your hook under both and twist and pull the loop. So now I have double magic ring, which is more sturdy and it's better for weaving the ends, so the square will be for sure not undone even after you wash, whatever you do with that. And now we are going to make single crochet, 2 loops, pull through 2, 1. We're going to make 12. So insert into the magic ring, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, 2, and continue like that until you have 12 single crochet. Right now I have 12, so I have 2 rings that I have to close. I pull 1 and I see that this ring is moving, so I must first pull this ring to close the other one. Okay, once it's closed, I'm pulling the tail and that's it. Now I'm going to slip stitch into my very first single crochet. So go under both loops, grab the yarn and pull through the loop on the hook. So this center part is done, and now I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we are going to make trebles, so 1 time, 2nd time, 2 times yarn over, move to the next stitch and make 1 treble. So first pull through 2 once, pull through 2 2nd time, and pull through 2 3rd time. And now another treble 2 times to the next stitch. You're making another treble. 1 time, pull through 2 2nd time, and pull through 2 3rd time. So now you have chain 4, 2 trebles, and now you're going to chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch into the next stitch. So you made sort of 1 petal, if you want to call it. this way. And now you're going to restart the same. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are going to make 2 trebles, chain 4 slip stitch, and like that you must repeat 4 times. We made 1 time, you do by yourself, second one, first, second, and third. And then we restart the row 2. No, it will be already row 3. So see you after you are done with this row. Then I start with another color yarn. So I have done with this row, and now you see here is a stitch where we had our first chain 4, and you must slip stitch exactly there. So just slip stitch, and now you can pull a bit the yarn, cut, and later you must weave it inside the other stitches to hide it. So for now you can bring it on the other side with the hook, as you will not use it now, and later you just weave it inside. And you must have a sort of flower like that, like this. Now we are going to use the contrast color yarn to start the next row. Probably you can even try with one color, but I prefer to make multicolored or at least 2 colors. So let's put this blue color. We just join it and then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can keep this tail on top to weave it. So next we are making the treble. 2 times yarn over, move under this first treble and 1, pull through 2, pull through 2 3 times. Then another time treble, 1, 2, 3. Then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch here. Slip stitch. Now you have a petal, and now we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 trebles on this side. So 1, 2, 3. Another treble, 1, 2, 3, and the last treble, so we also have 4. 1, 2, 3, and we have something that looks like this. Now we are going to slip stitch here to the next one, and it will look like this. And you repeat all the same, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make the trebles, then chain 4, slip stitch, and here make chain 4 and 3 trebles. So you just repeat this part until we arrive here, and I show you how to finish this row and start the next row with a different color. So just continue making the trebles like that. I think this is a very easy pattern. You can make many different styles with this one, and I'm curious to make some crochet bags with these squares, so subscribe to my channel and we will make many new projects together. So I chained 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I'm going to make 3 trebles, then slip stitch here and continue. So continue by yourself and let's meet when I'm almost done with this row. Please look at this beautiful granny square. Now it has to look like this after you almost finish, and you have to slip stitch here. So just slip stitch, cut the yarn, and later you must weave the ends. So you can bring this one as well to the other side. And oops. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to start the next row. You can also start it at any point. So let's start with the light blue. And as I told you, you can continue. It's like an infinite granny square. You can make as many as you want to. So just rejoin the yarn and all as we did before. 2, 3, 4. You're going to make the trebles. So 2 times. Make the treble. I basically don't want to repeat the same thing. You arrive here, you repeat this part, chain 4, 3 trebles, and then I show you how to continue. So after you finish the first petal, then on the side, now you have just slip stitch and repeat all the same, chain 4, 4, and then repeat the 2 trebles. So I have made the 3 trebles, and now I'm going to slip stitch here and restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you restart the same thing. So now we have 2 sides with 3 trebles. Then we repeat, and you continue like that until here where we finish our row, and you can finish the square with this few rows, or you can continue and add more colors. So that's just a repetition of this procedure with the trebles. So I will show you after I finish this row. So to finish this row, you have to do all the same. You can just join here and cut the yarn, and then just weave the ends of this granny square, put them all on the other side, and use tapestry needle to weave in between the stitches. And that's it. Look how pretty are both of them. One is made with chunkier cotton, one is with less, and I guess it's not that difficult. I will show you after I finish the second one how you can possibly join them together. So I have crocheted the two squares and I experimented how can I possibly join them. And I didn't want to get rid of this part, so I didn't go with the row of single crochet or double crochet to eliminate this part and make them just normal square to use a slip stitch. You definitely can try that, so you can have a smooth square edge and make just the join, but I wanted to keep this look and just joined with slip stitch. Basically at these top points I just slip stitch, and to arrive to this top point from this one, for example, I just made slip stitch on one side to arrive here. So now I'm going to show you. I don't know, maybe you can come up with a better way to join them, or adding extra rows to make the join look more beautiful, but for now I think I will use this method for my bags. So I just put the two sides together, and then I found the top of the bows of chain 4, the two tops of chain 4, and I just insert the yarn and then I slip stitch on one side until here we had the two double crochet, so two trebles, sorry, and then was the chain again, and then I just join the chains because this is a sort of top point, and then I go down here with the slip stitch and when I arrive here I go on because it's a lower point, and then when I arrive again to the top point I just grab one side, the other side, and slip stitch again, and then go on one side here, and when I arrive to this top point slip stitch, and that's how it looks like. So just try to join these top points and that's it. You can join many other, you can join them as normal granny squares, and if you have better versions of how to make it, you can write in the comments below. Thanks for watching, that's it for today, and see you again next time.